Good morning YouTube. What's happening, guys? I'm back again with another video. This time it is something that I've been dreaming for years, a place that I wanted to go, I wished to go, but I just didn't. It took me 6 years. It took me 6 years of planning, and I'm still in Bangalore. Probably next year would be the difference. Since I've started this YouTube channel, I think I have to keep up to the tradition of going to Ladakh. But recently searching for places that I could go ahead and visit, and just one of the places that popped up near Bangalore, which is 60 kilometers from my house, is a place called Chota Ladakh. So yes, I couldn't make it to the big one. There is no comparison to Ladakh, but in terms of the bike trip, right? But I wanted to make sure that I at least go ahead and visit Chota Ladakh to at least fulfill the Chota dreams of ours. You know, sometimes we want to climb up Mount Everest, but if you just reach the base camp, I think that's an achievement by itself. So guys, stay tuned for the video. Okay, now the route that I'm taking would be to get to Kayarpuram, and from Kayarpuram I need to get to a place called Dasarahalli. From Dasarahalli it would be to Chota Ladakh. Now recently one of my subscribers have told me that the Kayarpuram bridge is also known as the H bridge. Let's go check the bridge out a little more. So you need to go under this and over that. I've always gone under the bridge but not over the bridge. So yeah, this is the first time that I'm going over the bridge. Okay, H, the H bridge, got it. Okay guys, we have a different road that we could take, which is 15 minutes longer. So I've taken the deviation from the highway because highway is fun when you want to cover long distances, but a place that is like less than 60 kilometers is, I don't consider that to be long. So I don't want to sit on the highway and just get there in like a couple of seconds. So I thought probably if I take a detour, it extends my ride to another hour. So yeah, stay tuned. Do you know where Chota Ladakh is? Water body? No, okay, take it. Thank you. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Hey guys, we are at Chota Ladakh and it's a stunning place, but you have this quarry that has been dug up by the government for the construction of the highway, and over a period of time this got filled up by water. So advisable not to dive or swim in the water. It is quite steep, and there's a couple of incidents that has taken place. So the local bodies tell us not to swim here, and if we want to preserve places like these, I think we should just come for a bike ride, take a couple of pictures, chill out here and head back home. If you guys really want to swim, then please head to a swimming pool, not here. Protect all the places that we can as much as we could for the next generation, guys. Welcome to Chota Ladakh. ನಾ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. I hope you guys enjoyed Chota Ladakh, and keep tuned for more videos. I would request all of you guys, if you really like the videos of mine, any of the videos, just share them on Facebook, WhatsApp, and whichever social media that you could find, just share them. Thank you, and stay tuned for more videos.